Credit card, debit card abuse. Credit card, debit card abuse in the use in your credit card to buy another obtain benefit fraudulently. This is the most common type left. They can occur whether or not the person physically has your actually card. Traditionally, credit card fraud were limited to use stolen the lost card made unauthorized transaction, but due to advance in technology, there are show now many other ways for thieves obtain your credit card debit card information. Scheming is used for small devices to obtain electronic data or magnetic strip on the back of your credit card. The thief then record the data and other card and use it make purchases or written about common scam locations are restaurants, fast food, driver doors, windows. There have been cases of device placed ATM machines and captured data. There have been also been recent instances where skimming devices have been found installed inside the gas pumps. Now let's go hacking. Many manufacturers using out-of-date software on the POS point of sale terminals fall victim on this. The thief hacks into a machine's payment system and steals customer credit card number. Card compromised by hacking tend to be online transaction. When making online transaction, look HTTPS in the web address. They lets you know that your transaction is secure. What is phishing? In the stealing of credit card information through electronic means, it is usually performed sending emails that look legitimate, that they ask you to enter account number, credit card number. This also something occurs when you open an attachment on an email and it installs what's known as a Trojan or Kingston logger on your computer. This program runs in the background on your computer. It collects the SIM and chemicals your valuable financial information, username, password that can be used cause you significant financial loss. The best protection against this is updated virtual virus protection software for computer. If you believe that you have been a victim of debit card or credit card fraud, contact your bank or credit card provider and cancel the card immediately. If the transaction If the transaction occurred in the city Grapevine, or if you are resident in the city Grapevine and had fraudulent transaction on your card anywhere, download the credit card abuse offender and follow the instruction provided. When you have gathered the required documentation and completed an appendix, call the police department, make the report. This is some basic credit card debit card abuse. For more information, like my video and subscribe my channel. Uh, if you have a time, please click, click the bell icon uh, for latest information. Again, thanks for watching. Please share my video on your with friends, family, because He, I want one is cure from the hacking, phishing, etc. and skimming also include. Thanks for watching.